It's your girl Kosia, and it's Ghana Month, and we're live here at the Accra Zoo. And as part of the Ghana Month celebration, we're live here at the Eco Fun Fair to give you a sense of everything. I mean, everything that's happening here.
Yeah, I can't wait to have so much fun. From the entrance, I got a glimpse of the amazing animals we are going to see and look at in today's event. And
so guys, as you can see behind me, we are having a dance competition and a talent show.
Follow us, let's go have fun. Woohoo!
What's up, everybody? It's your favorite host, Akosia, live here on Joy Prime TV. It's 12 o'clock p.m. and you know what time it is. It's time to feed you, but nothing but the best of information. We are where we've actually been before, the Accra Zoo. And actually, I'm going to be doing some interviews, and Kekeli is somewhere doing his tours because I've actually told myself already. So we are live here at the Eco Fun Fair. And trust me, everything is on point, and it's just in commemoration of the Ghana Month. So it's actually to teach kids all about Ghana, what Ghana actually has in store. So we are here just to come and take a view and actually come and look at the beautiful sceneries Ghana actually has and spy animals in their natural habitats. Are you ready? Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. I'm here to do a few interviews, so now I have two students here with me, a male and a female, just to ask them a few questions about Ghana. Hello, what's your name?
Solomon Ama.
Okay, what school do you attend?
Glorious Prince Academy.
Okay, what do you love the most about your country, Ghana?
How we entertain ourselves and do other stuff with our courage.
Okay, so are you having fun here today?
Yes, of course.
What one thing have you done that has actually boosted your energy today?
Please, the question again.
I said, what have you actually done? What have you participated in that has actually given you that much energy to even do more?
I participated in the tour. They sent us to the zoo, looking at snakes and other animals.
Okay. Let me ask your other friend. Hello, what's your name?
Sarah Taki.
What school do you attend?
Glorious Prince Academy.
Okay, so if Kwame Nkrumah was to be alive right now and he was to stand in front of you, since he won independence for us, what would you actually want to tell him if he was alive?
What do I want from Kwame Nkrumah?
What would you want to tell if Kwame Nkrumah is to be alive here today and he's to stand in front of you? What would you tell him?
A big thank you to him for giving us all these things to entertain and educate us as well.
Okay, thank you very much. Your name again?
Sarah Taki.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. And your name again?
Solomon Ama.
Okay, nice to meet you, Solomon. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Erica.
What school do you attend, Erica?
Right off first school.
Okay, I love your confidence, you know that. Okay, so what do you love about Ghana the most?
Ghana, the culture.
The culture. What about the culture?
The dressing, the language, everything about it.
So, what is the particular one? Which particular one of them do you love the most when it comes to the culture aspect?
I would say the dance.
Dance? Can you dance?
Yes.
Can dance, man. Show me. You just show me some small movie. Yeah, right now. Don't be shy. Are you shy? Yeah, very shy. Don't be shy. They are playing some good music at the background. Just give me something small. Don't be shy. What do you do? Hello, what's your name?
Angela.
What school do you attend, Angela?
Right off first school.
Okay, quick question. If Kwame Nkrumah was to be alive here today, standing right in front of you, what would you tell him? Looking at all the things he has gained for Ghana, despite all the bad things people have been saying about him and all that. Yes, what would you say? Just
I'm going to thank him for his great deeds.
Name?
My name is Kali.
What school do you attend?
I attend Perfect and International School.
Okay, so riddle. I'm something. I'm very huge. And when it gets to my time, everybody around the whole world wants to celebrate.
Ghana.
Okay, you're close. What about Ghana?
Independence.
Okay. She actually got it correct. I have something for you, okay? Hello, what's your name?
I'm with Akon.
What school do you attend?
Ajay Kotoko Senior High.
Okay, so are you having fun lately?
Oh yeah.
What have you done that's actually very fun for you? What have you participated in that's actually fun for you?
When we go once to see the the lions and other animals.
What have you learned so far?
Oh, I've learned there are so many types of birds. And,
Like,
we have this one, the peacock. We have the peahen. Now I know the difference between this one, the peahen and the peacock.
okay. I just escaped, but don't worry. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Nasser Masaudu.
So what school do you attend?
You said,
What school do you attend?
please, I attend Ajun Kotoku Senior High.
That's wonderful. What do you love the most about Ghana?
About here.
About Ghana?
Ghana. The only thing I love is that we help people, we help each other, no matter what, but we still love each other.
So have you helped someone before?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what did you do?
You said,
What did you do?
oh, my friend, if you don't have money today, I'll buy food. You eat, no matter what, you get food and eat. You should not go outside and be. She's my best friend, so I'll give her.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Your name again?
Nasara Masaudu.
Okay, your name?
Ruth Ak.
Nice meeting you. Okay, so the interviews are still not over. I still have a few students here at the Accra Zoo, and I have two beautiful young ladies here with me. So I'm about to interview them. What's your name?
Harriet,
How old are you?
I'm 10.
So do you know the significance and the importance of what Kwame Nkrumah won for us in 1957?
He helped us gain independence.
No, do you see the importance of it? What is the importance?
He freed us from the Europeans so that we have peace.
Hello, what's your name?
Nanaya,
Okay, so Nanaya, what have you learned so far today?
I've learned that peacock males, before they open their tails, they have to mix with the females before.
I see. So let's assume Kwame Nkrumah is to be alive here today, and you had a chance to say anything in the world you wanted to tell him. What would you say?
To tell him,
Yes, to tell Kwame.
I'll tell him, thank him for freeing us from the Europeans. Also, I thank him for leading Ghanaians in whatever they did.
Okay, thank you very much for your time. What's your name again?
Nanaya.
Okay, nice meeting you, Nanaya. Nice meeting you too. Oh, come! You want to come? Oh! He's a very good boy. He said he wants you to interview him. What's your name?
My name is Samuel Sisokuluchi.
You are a very smart kid. How old are you?
I am 10.
10. Nice meeting you. What school do you attend?
I attend Damis Academy.
Okay, that's wonderful. So when you came here today, what is that one thing that you've actually learned that you know so well that you will never forget?
I came here to learn about some animals because I've been here several times, and each time I come here, they tell me that I will be seeing different kind of animals. So our school said that we'll be coming here, so I was very excited. So when I came here, I realized I saw some animals I've never seen in my whole life before.
Really, like
Yes,
animals like
zebra, some kind of monkeys I've not seen before. I think that's all.
that. So thank you very much for coming, Mike.
Back in the days, I did see a
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Agnes.
What school do you attend at?
Hayes International School.
Pardon?
Hayes International School.
Okay, so what do you love the most about Ghana?
What?
What do you love the most about Ghana?
Ghana. The tourist side.
Attraction side.
Yeah. And how when we came here, how I was expecting this place to be, I didn't get bad. It was amazing and nice, but the social amenities such as the road is very poor. So they should do something about it.
Okay. So His Excellency, please, we've heard you. Hello, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Nana Joa.
You also attend.
Yes.
So what's one thing you really love about Ghana?
One thing I like about Ghana is that they really reserve the place as how our great grandfathers they left it for us.
Okay. So if His Kwame Nkrumah was to be alive here today, and you had a chance to see him like one-on-one, what would you tell him?
I would tell him I would really thank him for gaining independence for Ghana and thank him for all the good things for the schools and all those things he have brought to Ghana. I will be so grateful to
Okay, so thank you very much. I'll get back to you, okay? Hello, what's your name?
Philip,
What do you love the most about your country?
I like the wildlife,
Or what about the wildlife?
like the animals,
Okay, please come here a bit for me, okay? Continue.
the animals and some species of plants in Ghana. That's
So when you came here at Accra Zoo, what have you learned very much? What have you learned?
different types of animals and their species.
Okay, give me a bit. Give me a few.
I learned that there are two main types of lions in Accra Zoo here. They are the mountain lion and the tribal lion.
So how do they look like? Describe them to me. If I've never been there before, what would you tell me? How do you explain it to me?
The tribal lion, they are usually white in color. And the mountain lions, they are brownish in color.
Brownish in color. That's perfect. Hello, what did you learn here today? When you came to Accra Zoo, what did you learn here today?
Oh, I learned a lot of things such as types of species. I said I didn't even know they have types of lion, but when I came here, I could know. And types of zebra. We have different types of animals. So I learned a lot.
Okay. So what have you seen here today that you've never seen before?
To me, it's an amazement because I haven't seen a lion and most animals that I've seen, I haven't seen them like reality.
Lion, zebra. Oh my God. So we'll be seeing more of this. Don't worry.
Thank you, Kwame Nkrumah.
What's up, my people? We're here at Achimota Forest for the Eco Fun Fair. Yes, this is an exciting event. As you can see, there are children all around embracing the animals they don't get to see on a daily basis. And yes, we're gonna have activities, interviews. We're gonna have a total blast. Follow me. Let's have fun. Woo! We're joined here with the school to help us to the monkey enclosures. Yes, those are the animals we're going to start with. So follow us. Let's get a quick glimpse of the monkeys.
As I was saying, they are critically endangered. No, they are endangered. Why? Because of the poachers. These poachers are killing them as bushmeat. And also, if you look at, we as humans, we are destroying their natural habitat. And if you look at, many zoologists have said that the massive industrialization of countries have led to the destruction of many, many wildlife animals, natural habitat. Even real estate developers are even encroaching to wildlife animals' natural habitat. So we are losing our animals. And in Africa here, we don't respect animals. Animal welfare is very poor in Africa. It's terrible. Yes, there's a need to promote animal welfare in schools and colleges. Okay, let's move forward.
Please, what is the mode of transportation for the animals? Is it on the sea, in the air? How do they import the animals?
They transport animals by air. Can't transport by air. Yes, can be transported by air. Because we have some zebras that came from South Africa. I was told it's by air. We have animal importers and exporters at the Kotoka International Airport. I've heard about it. Yes, they are our national animal, Ghana. We are celebrating our 68th anniversary, independence. And there's a question. What is Ghana's national animal? Since we are in a zoo, you all agree with me that most countries in the world adopt, yes, eagle. Oh, I'm sorry. What's Ghana's national animal?
Eagle.
Eagle. I'll give you 75%. Nowadays, the teachers want you to rack your brains. So if I was a teacher, maybe you're going to write BEC or a class test, and I start the question, what is Ghana's national animal? A bald eagle. B, a tawny eagle. C, Egyptian eagle. And D, golden eagle. Which I only go for? Because types of eagles. Remember we were discussing that there are over 200 types of monkeys in the world. Even 267 types of monkeys in the world. Our national animal is the tawny eagle. TAWNY. Those two eagles on the coat of arms of Ghana. The largest bird in the whole wide world.
Ostrich.
Ostrich, excellent. We are going to the ostrich. Yes, let's go to the ostrich.
I'm having so much fun here at Accra Zoo. I'm learning so much. I've learned that Ghana's national animal is the tawny eagle. Yes, an eagle. I didn't know about that till now. That's amazing. Yes, so I've seen so much animals like a tortoise, a warthog, even Maxwell's toy car. I don't even, I'm very confused on where that name even came from. Yes, so follow me. Let's get to learn more. And I'm very excited to see the lion next stop. So follow me. Let's go. We have made it. My favorite part of the tour, yes, the king of the jungle, the lion enclosures. So amazing. I'm so happy to be here. I have realized and analyzed something. There are two fences surrounding the animal enclosure, the lion enclosure to be specific. I don't know why, but I'm sure that it's because we don't want those pesky humans trying to get their phones when it falls inside. Yeah. So this is amazing. I can see the lions sleeping. They need their rest, you know. There are other special guests coming along to watch them. Follow me. Let's go and find the male lions. These were the females. As I mentioned earlier, we're here at the lions enclosures getting a quick glimpse at our majesty, the king of the jungle. And today we're joined here by a very beautiful woman that will get to know more about the animals. Yes, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great.
And your name?
I'm Rodalyn.
Hi, Rodalyn. So one question I really want to ask is, where are these lions coming from? Because I know that Ghana, you can't form this type of huge animal. Where are they coming from?
So they're coming from South Africa, and then right now, because they're coming from South Africa, they've given birth to some of the animals here. So some, especially the children, are citizens right now, but the parents are basically from South Africa.
And also, I realized that the name was very catchy. I don't know how that is. That a name from South Africa, or it got an origin from somewhere else? How was the name? How did the name come together?
So what name did you hear actually? There's a Simba.
Yes, I heard that name plus Krieger or something like that.
We've been watching our movies. You have the Simba, we have Mufasa. I think they are all basically from that movies we've been watching. That's basically it.
So it was the kids that gave you the idea. Wow.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's lovely. Charlie, the kids are they are going places. I can see future presidents, soldiers, and everything. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You are welcome. And I really love people to come here and then watch the animals. I mean, Accra Zoo still exists here. People think Accra Zoo is not existing, but we still have Accra Zoo in existence. You can see the animals. Yeah, everyone is having fun here. I mean, this week has been so fun. Everyone is enjoying what we are seeing over here. So we are just telling people that Accra Zoo still exists. So you can just come and experience the world in the city, and you just have fun. You just enjoy yourself, and you see all these things. You see what happened just now. You just enjoy it and then have fun.
Wow, that's lovely. Thank you very much for your time, Rodalyn. Hope to meet you again. Bye.
What's up? What's up?
So guys, we are still here at Echo Fun Fair at Accra Zoo. And we are going to do the most interesting, dangerous thing ever. So what's your name, please?
Chantal Baden,
Chantal, like which class are you coming from?
Flowers of Heaven,
Okay, so what class?
Form 3.
Are you ready? So what's your name?
I'm Favor Christopher.
Okay, so Christopher, what class are you in?
I'm in Form 2.
Form 2. Oh, okay. Are you ready for the snake touching?
Yes.
Yes. So you two, what's your name?
Perezeski Osei.
Okay, so I'll say, are you ready?
Yes.
What's your class? Like, what class are you in?
JHS 1.
Okay. Guys, let's watch this. So how are you? What's your experience? How are you feeling? Are you scared?
Yes.
You are scared? Hey, you're very brave, baby, because that's what me. I'm not sure I could do this. Hey. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good, but not.
Are you scared?
Yes, but not that much.
And now Kekeli wants to try this. Go Kekeli! Go Kekeli! Go Kekeli! Go Kekeli! Wow, yes! Yes! Yay! Yes, 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 yes. I've even touched it.
So it was my turn, and I did it perfectly. No mistakes. I wasn't screaming, no overreactions. I was very calm.
This one is like mini diasa. How you say? This one is small diasa. Did this one win? Hey, fear God. Fear God. Did she win? No. Come forward. Did she win? You boy, you are scam. You are scam. God will punish you. Did she win? So this girl has won, eh? Like they'll beat me here. Oh. So, guys, this girl has not won. This one too has not won. So, at this point, they are coming to challenge me, both of them. But we'll do it one by one. DJ, which song do you want? What? JJ. Do you know JJ? This DJ is good. Give me that for Mumbo Semano. He's going to play JJ for us. Let's go! Are you ready? Hey! Jesus is looking at you. Chosen word. You see, she said offbeat. She said offbeat. This one cannot compete with me. Which song do you want? Any song, DJ. But wait, okay? Any song, DJ. Let's go. Hey, are you ready now? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Hello, I with everybody for you. Body just shake bello. What is up on bello? Deliver like I get bello. Them say I did go sell out. Them say I did go sell out. I gon' make you joy. Say you get it.
Thank you. Which school is this school? I'll ask you any question. You like your school? Hey, what? Which school? Someone talking to you? Hey, hey, now you can dance, oh, but you too you can dance. DJ, me too. I want any song. No, DJ, it's too fast. Me, I dance slow. Please, people should take your time. I don't like peer pressure. I want to dance on my own. Okay? DJ. This one is too loud. Change the other. Change. Oh, it's too loud. Change it. Guys, me, you wait and see. DJ, change it again. Song slowing. Why? Wait. The song is slowing. It's okay. I don't like music.
Somebody else, they do me no more. na hook. Kalo shamba. What did happen now? I mean, if I don't take life, my people show them. Don't dog. Come on. Everybody. Come on.
B-E-C-K.
One chair out, just one. And we still have 5 contestants here. Still, that should still be a mix. Let's go, DJ. Are you ready? Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. One destiny. Oh, destiny. I think this boy is in destiny. Ale. Hey, chosen. Charlie, that's moves in you.
say? Hi. How do you feel after winning a prestigious musical chairs competition? I feel so amazing. You feel amazing? Glorious Destiny Academy. That's right! Take some Thank you very much. So our winner for this competition was Destiny Academy. You can take your crown away. Thank you for participating. This is for Kids Paradise signing out for a nature-filled episode.
Thank you everyone for coming. God bless you.
Alright guys, so it's been me, your host, Akosia, Leroyda, and Kekeli signing out from the Accra Zoo. It's a bye for now.
Bye.
Peace out.